FragranceFiendz. Welcome back to the episode of the Man Frank C. So I have two boxes here. I think they're from Joma. Just was around kind of looking for something else, and I came across them. I think within the last couple of weeks to a month I ordered this. So you know how we do. We're gonna open these up and see what's inside. So stay tuned. We're back at it. So today we're gonna do a fragrance unboxing. I think it's 2 or 3 fragrances in these boxes. They came separately, and they've been kind of off to the side while I'm doing other things. So let's see what's in them. So I believe they're from Joma. This looks like a Joma box. So we're gonna open up this one and then the next one. Let's see what we have. Be a dupe or a inspired by of Terre Hermes. So I have Terre Hermes. I have Terre Hermes the original, and I have the Parfum, which is my favorite. So usually when they say it's a clone of something, to me, sometimes it's spot on, like Assad. Like a Top Assad is spot on with Dior Elixir. And then they have, sometimes they come out with things that are kind of in between. So let's see. Let's kind of pop it open. Box, nice presentation. Here's the juice, here's the bottle. Okay. All right, very interesting. I don't know. Let's see how you get it. Yep, okay, here we go. Pretty simple. Lattafa has so I wish Lattafa was standardized. Actually, not Lattafa, I'm sorry, it's Versace. Versace, not Lattafa. My apologies. So it's Versace Fatan Poron. So let's see. Oh yeah. Wow. Yeah. That flintiness. When the first 2 seconds when it hits your hand or hits your skin, is that citrus is in there. Citrus is in there, but then the next second is that flintiness that Terre Hermes is known for. That flint note. This is good. This is good. Off top, I can get the comparisons. Comparisons. Yeah. This smells a lot like Terre Hermes, all first impression. So, yeah, this is good. In the house of Versace Fatan. This it says with tester, but this looks like full presentation to me. It's about $28 on Joma Shop. Good stuff. Versace Poron, Versace Fatan Poron. TDH inspiration. And so far, it smells like TDH. The flintiness is there. This is good. We'll see how it develops. All right, so that's that. So now here's the other box. And from Fragrance World, which is on my list of best Middle Eastern scents, up there with Paris Corner, which is fast becoming my favorite. From the House of Fragrance World, this is Alpha, the EDP. This is supposed to be a dupe of the Tom Ford Ebin Fumé, the Ebony Woods. Two fragrances in the box, there's only one. So Alpha. All right, now how do you open it? There you go. Okay, opens up like this. Beautiful presentation. And here's the box. The box is reminiscent of the Tom Ford Ebin Fumé. Oh yeah, look at that. That pops out of there. Can't beat the Middle Eastern housing presentation. Boom. All right. Very good. All right. So it has the 3D wolf jumping out you, that Alpha Predator. Very good. All right, let's see. So I remember I don't have the Ebin Fumé from Tom Ford. I've smelled it a few times at Sephora. Now Sephora used to give out samples before COVID. I haven't asked. I've been to Sephora like twice, in the last maybe year, just smelling things that I haven't asked if they're giving samples. If you know they're giving samples, just please leave me a comment. Let me know that. But I used to get a lot of nice samples from Sephora. So next time I go back there, I'm gonna ask if they're giving out samples again. I know they stopped it because of COVID. So let's see. Let's give it a spray. Enough of the long-winded stuff. Wow, I can smell from back here. Yeah. Woo, that is nice. About Fumé, this is woody, like ebony wood, like smoky ebony wood rose. Yeah, this is nice. Wow, good stuff. We're gonna test this out, sit with it for a while. So just recapping, we did 2 Middle Eastern House dupes, the Alpha from Fragrance World and the Fatan by Versace. So FragranceFiendz, that's all I have for you today. Until next time, take care.